5. Most common causes of night sweat. Night sweats can occur for a variety of reasons and are not always serious in all cases. In many cases, the most common cause of night sweats can be found in your surroundings. It may be too hot, you may be sleeping in heavy pajamas, or you may be using a blanket that is too warm. However, if any of these reasons do not cause it, you may need to consider other possible causes. It can also be a sign of a more serious problem. If this problem occurs frequently, it may be due to one of the following medical conditions. Common causes of night sweat. Number 1. Obstructive sleep apnea. People suffering from this illness cannot sleep well at night. This is because the airways are blocked. The airflow will be restricted. However, inability to breathe is also one of the common causes of night sweats. But this is not all. Other symptoms you may experience if you are suffering from apnea are sensitivity, tired during the day, snore, and headache. If you notice one or more of these symptoms along with night sweats, it is advisable to consult your doctor. If you are diagnosed with obstructive sleep apnea, you need to treat it before it causes bigger problems. It can include heart problems and diabetes. The solution for most people is to use a machine that helps breathe at night. This will help you sleep better and eliminate related symptoms. Number 2. Menopause. Menopause and age cause hormonal ups and downs. This causes you to lose control of your body. These constant changes can also significantly disturb a person's body temperature. Menopausal women often feel very uncomfortable because of night sweat. Some people wake up several times on the same night. Other symptoms include dry skin, bad mood, and irregular menstrual cycle. The average age at which menopause begins is about 51 years. However, you may start to sweat many years before the start of menopause. Some women begin to suffer from night sweats in their 30s. Menopause is a part of a woman's daily life and does not need to be cured. However, if your symptoms are too annoying, ask your doctor to suggest some treatments. It may help you to go through this life stage more comfortably. Number 3. Anxiety. Anxiety and chronic stress can cause night sweats. In this case, the solution to the problem may be learning how to better manage what is bothering you. It's good to go to a counselor who can help relieve the symptoms of anxiety. This is especially true if you're not sure what the cause is. Many therapists practice cognitive behavioral therapy. These teach you to change your mindset. In this way, you can identify and re-engage the thoughts that are causing the anxiety and stress. However, treatment alone may not be enough, so it's important that you play your part. Incorporate and maintain the following lifestyle habits: daily exercise, foster a sense of hope, eat a balanced diet, participate in talk therapy, and perform creative activities such as painting, writing, sculpture, colouring, etc. Number 4. Some illnesses. Frequent night sweat should not automatically assume a problem. There are various causes of night sweat. However, it's important to see a doctor to get the most accurate information about your health. Night sweats are a secondary effect of many illnesses. Some are serious, such as bacterial and viral infections. It can even be caused by certain types of cancer. When it is a more serious problem, night sweats are usually accompanied by other symptoms. Only your doctor will do the proper testing to understand what is happening. Treatment depends on the illness. Number 5. Hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia can cause night sweats in diabetics, but this is not the only symptom. This problem can also cause diabetics to sweat a lot during the day. Hypoglycemia is usually a secondary effect. This can be caused by problems with insulin or other medications used to treat diabetes. Therefore, if these problems occur on a regular basis, your doctor can suggest lifestyle changes. In addition, lifestyle changes can reduce your chances of suffering from hypoglycemia. This includes eating certain types of food on a regular basis, and it may be necessary to pay attention to blood sugar levels. Talk to your doctor if you have night sweats. Night sweats with other symptoms may indicate something is wrong with your health. However, it does not necessarily mean the worst scenario. Be especially careful if you have a lot of night sweat. If this happens with other symptoms, be aware of it as well. Therefore, you can find out the main cause by consulting your doctor.